Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will show how to make easy BBQ sauce with ketchup. First, gather your ingredients. You'll need 1 cup of ketchup, 1/4 cup of apple cider vinegar, and 2 tablespoons of brown sugar. Also, grab 1 tablespoon of Worcestershire sauce, 1 teaspoon of smoked paprika, 1/2 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1/4 teaspoon of onion powder, and a pinch of cayenne pepper for a little kick. These simple items are all you need to create a delicious homemade sauce. Now, let's get cooking. Pour all your measured ingredients into a medium saucepan. Place it over medium heat on your stovetop. Whisk everything together continuously until the brown sugar completely dissolves into the liquid. Once combined, bring the sauce to a gentle simmer. Remember to stir it occasionally to ensure it doesn't stick to the bottom of the pan. This step helps all the flavors meld beautifully. Once simmering, reduce the heat to low. Allow the sauce to continue cooking for about 15 to 20 minutes. During this time, it will gradually thicken to a perfect BBQ sauce consistency. Keep an eye on it and stir periodically. After it has thickened, give it a taste. This is your chance to adjust the seasonings. You might want to add a little more salt, pepper, or even a touch more brown sugar to suit your preference. Finally, remove your delicious homemade BBQ sauce from the heat. Let it cool down completely before you serve it. This allows the flavors to deepen even further. Once cooled, transfer the sauce to an airtight container and store it in the refrigerator. It will stay fresh for up to 10 days, ready for your next meal. Also, be sure to check the description below for a link to a fantastic book about money and other exclusive deals. Enjoy your amazing sauce.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.